अष्टोत्तर सदस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत शिलवान गोस्वामी महाराज एवं मेरे
First of all,
शिक्षा
I
गुरु
do
एवं
my
सन्यास गुरु
Dandavat to
नित्य लीला
my
प्रविष्ट विष्णु का अष्टोत्तर
Paramaradya
सदस्य
Srila
भक्ति
Bhaktivedanta
वेदांत
Srila Bhagavad Goswami Maharaj, and then Veena Didi.
भक्ति वेदांत शिलवान गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि शास्त्रीय धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात
And after that,
सभापति महोदय उपस्थित गुरुवर्ग परिचारक वृंद एवं समस्त सन्यासी वृंद
so like all the present devotees, so I'm giving my Dandavat Pranam accordingly to all the present devotees. So today is a very fortunate day. Like 18 years back, Srila Gurupad Padmanita Lila Pravishta Om Vishnu Pada Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he manifested this deity here in the Anand Dham. So we get an opportunity to participate at that time to manifest this deity. Like the Anand, the person who is managing this temple is a disciple of Gurudeva. And a very beautiful way he is actually running in a temple. So like whole world is seeing this by internet. I want to say, so our like this the organizer in a very beautiful way he told this sanstha, this organization, like they are giving in a classes on a Sanskrit, they are teaching Sanskrit. So in the present time we see like nobody wants to learn the Sanskrit, or no wants to give respect to the Sanskrit. So many of the places like they announce that it's a date language, means no need to learn this language till you will not learn the Sanskrit.
तब तक वास्तव रूप में हमारे भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति
So then till then you will not able to be understand the Veda, Puran, Upanishad, our Indian culture. You will not understand like whatever the Granth has been published. So these all Granthas are in a Sanskrit language. This is known as a Dev language. I am saying this just because we have to focus on Sanskrit language. If we will not discuss the Sanskrit language, so all the like vidharmi, means who is not following the dharma, that people will come and what they will do, they will even like destroy our culture. So because they are not following the our dharma, and they will you all will become in a Mohammedan, as earlier time you will listen about that in a East Bengal, like so much like so much like that Muslims attacks to the temples. So even they kill the brahmacharis. This is actually like need to be think. We are becoming weak gradually, just because in a school and colleges they are not teaching the Sanskrit. Even a mat mandir, like nobody is talking about the Sanskrit. So this is actually our weakness. So I want to say in this temple, like a very topmost, this have a temple and a school of a Sanskrit language. So like all the facilities they are providing. Even the Mohoday, the organizer person, say like here the Goshala is also here. So what's like Hindu dharma means what? To serve the cows.
जगद्देवताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो। भगवान के कब हम समझ पाएंगे जब हम कुछ संस्कृत पढ़े। भागवत गीता अध्ययन हम तब तक पाएंगे जब हम कुछ संस्कृत पढ़े, क्योंकि संस्कृत ऐसे शब्द है जैसे अनेक अर्थों निकलता है।
Little bit back.
निकल करके आ जाता है,
Little bit back.
निकल करके आ जाता है।
So
बहुत
means the Sanskrit is just like a language.
कहते हैं इसलिए संस्कृत के अर्थ हम समझना है। इसलिए चैतन्य चैतामृत
So we should understand the Sanskrit meanings. So the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami said like that if you want to read the Bhagavatam Granth, so you should take shelter of an Vaishnava. So Mahaprabhu, like you surrender yourself at the lotus feet of an Mahaprabhu, and under the Vaishnavas, under guidance of the Vaishnavas, we will learn. Then only we will reach to our aim. Like you so call like an deity is like a normal stone. So why you are bow down your head in front of them? So many stones are outside. So we are not bow down our head there. So why we are bow down our head here? So like that's why I say that the Vigraha nahi tumi sakshat Brajendra Nandan. He is himself a God.
एक है ईश्वर स्वयं भगवान। कली युग में हमारी सेवा ग्रहण करने के लिए
in a Kali Yuga, like the God manifest in the form of an deity. So if the God will not manifest in this Vigraha form, so we will become an Nirvishweshwarvadi, means we will not follow and we will not believe about the God. So the God always manifest with their associates. Vigraha means like it's just manifesting by their own self. Like he is not like a doll. So if you will, like the Vigraha talks to the Premi Bhakta, as the Loknath Das Goswami, he is in a Bhagavad. So Loknath Das Goswami is doing the bhajan. And he was doing the bhajan, and at the 12 o'clock he given a sleep to his Thakur, his deity's name in Vinodi Lal. He is doing the chanting, and just like he got in a sleep. So meanwhile the Vinodi Lal came, and near to the ears he's saying Loknath, Loknath, I'm not getting sleep. So himself the Vinodi Lal saying to the Loknath Das Goswami, today is a very hot day, like please give fan to me, like fan me. So the Loknath Das Goswami brings brings something and fanning the Loknath Das Goswami.
फिर ठाकुर जी आकर के बिल्कुल उनके कान की नीचे ऐसे करके कहने लगे लोकनाथ लोकनाथ लोकनाथ
Given a Hindi live.
आप बोले ठाकुर जी।
So then again the Thakur ji came to the Loknath Das Goswami and said to the Loknath, like my leg is so much pain in my leg, so give massage to my leg. So the Loknath Das Goswami start to like a very slowly, like he is giving a massage to. So Loknath Das Goswami like describing like a very gradually he is like giving a massage to the Thakur ji. So at that time what the Thakur ji did, he became so much pleased, and the Thakur ji slept. So Thakur ji like even go for the rest, and then again the Thakur ji came again. So like he said, I'm feeling very much hungry. Give life.
लोग बोले क्या
Life.
खाना चाहते हो? बोले देखो गरम गरम पूरी बनाओ,
So he said,
आलू की सब्जी,
make like like a hot puri and potato vegetable. So that Loknath Goswami made a puri and aloo potato sabji and a puri. So in front of him, Loknath Goswami, he started to eat. So Thakurji became so much pleased. So he said to the Loknath Goswami, telling to Loknath Goswami, like don't do the Mangal Aarti at 3 o'clock, just do today 9 o'clock. So like in a many temple in a Vrindavan, like they used to do the Mangal Aarti after 9. So I am saying like it is not in a big way, it is in a Sakshat Vrajendranandar in front of the Premi Bhakti he used to speak. So like those who people says like that Thakurji not to eat, but because you are not made to feed him as in a shabri. Like somebody says like the Thakurji is not getting sleep because you are not making sleep like in a Yashoda Maya. Somebody used to say the Thakurji is not dancing because you are not making him dance like in a gopis. So very beautiful stories are there. He used to speak like by bhakti he actually controlled. So Gurudev like himself manifests this deity. So I always like I'm just remembering again and again his lotus feet, and I'm just remembering all the devotees. So like very like beautifully the seva is going on and the smart is running on. So like he is a very like a one-pointed devotee to our Gurudev. So I am just doing pranam to all the devotees, and I'm just giving an address to my Harikatha here only.